Today we're diving into the world of vitamin E. This essential nutrient plays a crucial role in protecting your cells from damage and supporting overall health. In this video, we'll explore the top 16 foods that are rich in vitamin E. Let's get started. Number 16. Sunflower seeds. 1 ounce seeds contain around 7.4 milligrams of vitamin E. These seeds are rich in healthy fats and antioxidants. Number 15. Almonds. 1 ounce almonds contain around 7.2 milligrams of vitamin E. These nuts are high in protein and fiber. Number 14. Sunflower oil. 1 tablespoon sunflower oil contain around 5.7 milligrams of vitamin E. It supports skin health and immune function. Number 13. Hazelnuts. 1 ounce hazelnuts contain around 4.3 milligrams of vitamin E. These nuts are rich in monounsaturated fats. Number 12. Avocado. 1 avocado contain around 4.1 milligrams of vitamin E. It is packed with healthy fats and fiber. Number 11. Mango. 1 mango contain around 3 milligrams of vitamin E. This tropical fruit is also high in vitamin C. Number 10. Butternut squash. 1 cup cooked butternut squash contain around 2.6 milligrams of vitamin E. It is rich in antioxidants and beta-carotene. Number 9. Red bell peppers. 1 large bell pepper contain around 2.5 milligrams of vitamin E. These peppers are high in vitamin C and antioxidants. Number 8. Peanuts. 1 ounce peanuts contain around 2.4 milligrams of vitamin E. They offer protein and healthy fats. Number 7. Olive oil. 1 tablespoon olive oil contain around 2 milligrams of vitamin E. It is known for its heart-healthy fats. Number 6. Spinach. 100-gram spinach contain around 2 milligrams of vitamin E. It is loaded with iron and antioxidants. Number 5. Pumpkin. 1 cup cooked pumpkin contain around 1.9 milligrams of vitamin E. This vegetable is rich in beta-carotene. Number 4. Broccoli. 100 grams of cooked broccoli contain around 1.4 milligrams of vitamin E. It is packed with vitamins and minerals. Number 3. Kiwi. 1 kiwi contain around 1 milligrams of vitamin E. This fruit is high in vitamin C and dietary fiber. Number 2. Eggs. 2 eggs contain around 1 milligrams of vitamin E. They offer a complete protein source. Number 1. Wheat germ oil. 1 tablespoon wheat germ oil contain around 20 milligrams of vitamin E. It is extremely high in vitamin E. The daily recommended intake of vitamin E is detailed in the description. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this list of vitamin E-rich foods helpful and found some great ideas to enhance your diet. Thank you for